So next we will see the annotation tools. So first the text. So click the text, or you can access the text by typing T in the command line and just pressing enter. So you can access the text tool. So I am clicking the first point and the second point. You can type it whatever you want. I'm typing learn to grow. So this is my text. So it is very small. So you can also select and go to properties. So in here you can see the text height is very small. So 0.2 millimeters. So I am making 5 millimeters. So you can also just move this text wherever you want. And now we will see the dimension tools. So there is a rectangle and triangle and also the circle. So first of all we need to make dimension for this rectangle. I'm just going to dimension and I'm clicking the linear dimension. So I'm clicking the first point and second point and just making the dimension of this particular side of this rectangle. So in here we cannot be able to see the dimension size, so that we need to go to dimension settings, just type D and press enter. So you can access the dimension style manager. You have to set uh, you can also go to the standard, or you can create a new style manager. I'm creating new style manager. I'm giving L to G. So to start with, I will go with standard and I'm continuing. So here you can see the dimension line and the uh, extension lines. So this is the dimension line and the extension line is this. So you can also change the line type and line weight and the line color as well. So then you can go to the symbols and arrows. So you also can classify the uh, arrow heads, whether it's closed, filled, or closed blank. So also you can uh, modify the other text as well. I'm just going to fit and I'm giving here 10. So whether we will see it will fit for our drawing or not. So I am clicking OK and I am closing. Now I am going to the linear, and you can also enter and you can make the dimension. Also you can use the space bar. So if you need to access the previous command, you can use the space bar. I'm just using the space bar and I'm entering so that I can give the dimension to a particular line. So in here you cannot be able to use the linear dimension for this particular triangle, this side. So you cannot be able to use the linear. So we need to use the aligned dimension. So I am clicking the first point and the second point and I am making the dimension for this aligned. So next one, circle. So for that, I'm you can use diameter or radius for dimensioning. I'm using diameter. So I'm selecting the object or circle. So you can just uh, you can show the dimension for this circle. So rather than doing that, you can also clicking the radius, and you can show the radius of this circle. So that is the dimensioning part. So the next one is the leader. So I am clicking the leader, and I am pointing this particular circle. So the major use is you can point out a particular object and you can name it. So that is the main advantage of this leader. So you can also change the dimension of this particular leader. So next we will move to the table. So I'm erasing all the things. So I'm clicking the table. So in here you need to specify the columns and data rows. So I'm giving 5 rows and 5 columns, and I'm creating a table. So I need to give the heading for the table. So this is the way you can create the table. So those are the tools you can access in the annotation tools.